Imagine still arguing about your flight after the airline already canceled it.
How you doing, ma'am? I'm Officer Martinez.
I am not drunk. I will sue if I have to.
That's fine, but I need you.
Cops get called to an airport where a drunk woman won't leave the gate after she got denied boarding on her flight.
Ready, ma'am. Hey, how you doing? So,
Hi. So I was.
yeah, why don't you tell me what's happening?
No, yeah. I will tell you before they tell.
Yep, that's why I'm talking to you first.
I've been delayed for however many hours. I'm laying here. Look.
No, I see.
What? I'll show you.
No, you don't need to demonstrate, ma'am. Ma'am, why don't you get
Oh, live demonstration.
All right, ma'am, can you stand up?
No. I know I can get up, but I'm going to show you.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah, what I'm doing. Here is 2 passports to 2 countries.
Evidence of what I was doing wrong.
I have traveled.
Okay, so where are you flying to?
I'm going to Ocala, Tampa, to hang out with my 4-month-old granddaughter. I'm not all that old.
It's all right. We just need to know which flight. That's right.
So here's my New Zealand passport. Here's my Canadian passport.
Okay.
Here's my New Zealand driver license. I've traveled over 100 bajillion times.
Okay.
And laid on the floor.
Okay.
I get
All right, I guess this is the thing. You got 2 passports, Canadian, New Zealand license. Is it illegal to lay down on the floor? Probably not. Is it causing a traffic disturbance? Is it causing a disturbance of folks trying to get to their gate and get in their flight? Yeah, absolutely. Sometimes common sense is not common practice. We'll see how this goes.
No, sorry. I get that it's a public risk, but look, my flight is not to arrive until
Okay. 11:30. Okay.
8:38 in the afternoon.
Okay,
That
so,
is not to arrive until
ma'am.
8:08 or 9:36. So sorry, I can't just hang out on the floor.
No, unfortunately, you
Because
can't just.
all of the other things.
No, you can sit down in the
So
seat.
every single time I've been to the airport, several times before, where I've laid on the floor, it's never been a problem.
Okay, but you're
But
laying in the
until
middle
now.
of the floor right here, right now, in front of everyone. So
This
let's.
is the middle. This is the middle.
But don't you see that there's a gate right there, ma'am?
No.
Ma'am?
That's the middle.
Let me ask you once. All right.
No.
Why would she even lay on the floor? I mean, listen, maybe you got a back issue. Do you want to sit down? Fine, but
Trip over you?
lay down close to somewhere else to where the seats are.
Walk around me?
Yeah, but what happens
So
if
are you
you're not
telling
paying
me everyone's...
attention?
No, sorry. Are you? Is that what you're saying? Because people can't watch me walk.
No, he's not saying that.
So I can lay right here, like this.
She been denied boarding.
Yeah, she's been denied boarding. She's drinking. She's kind of just displaying.
Oh, he's been drinking. That's gonna be a problem.
Drunk.
Okay.
I am just self-aware. And
Okay. Okay. Do you know where you're
This
at?
is the middle. Yeah, I'm at the National Airport. I've been here 4 hours waiting for my flight, which has been delayed for 3 hours.
Well, I can smell a little bit of alcohol in you.
It
How much
doesn't
of
matter
that
if
is
you
there?
smell. I have gotten gastric sleep. I can't legally. I can't get drunk.
Well, where were you
Right
drinking at?
here.
Just hanging out. We're just hanging out
Over
talking.
there.
Denied boarding, the more her behavior continues, the more I don't even want to rebook her. I was going to rebook her tomorrow, but she won't even give us a name. So at this point, what do you think? Just cancel it? Yeah. If we can get a name, I have no problem. No.
But in all fairness, guys, when this place was packed, I get Billy, she's speaking now. When this place was packed and there was right, she was sitting on the floor. So she's been in the floor the whole time, right? So I don't really think it's like fair to be like.
She's also had alcohol, and
No,
we
for
asked her
sure, and I
simple
get
things.
that. But I mean, like,
3 cash?
One.
I don't know what she's trying to do there, but
Before you came?
No.
if there's a lot of people there trying to get into their flight and trying to get to the gate, and you're causing a disturbance like that, I mean, it's a private airport. So the airline has a right to cancel your flight, deny you getting on the plane. I don't know why you would get to this point. She's just not thinking clearly. I don't know.
One drink.
Okay. She was
But
denied boarding?
anyway,
Okay.
it's even
So-
look right here.
Physical and mental health. Oh, good. So you study that stuff.
Yeah, I literally am smarter than every fucking person here.
Okay, so
I'm
look.
just fucking laying here.
I got it. So let me
It's,
explain
again,
something
it's
to
a
you.
safety risk. If there are people here,
It's not
no.
even that. Listen. So, because they are a private business and they can deny anybody boarding,
Maybe you can have these back. Let me talk to Southwest real quick.
They actually
Yeah, but the thing is they came to me. If I laying here, watch. You wanna watch me? Watch. You too. Watch.
How many times are you going to show this?
Watch.
We know what you did, and that's a problem.
So that's what you were doing, just laying there?
Laying here, and then that one comes up to me. You're not allowed to sit here.
Well, look,
This, I have literally.
So she doesn't like the way she was told.
Look at this.
I understand.
It's an ongoing problem.
Look, I've literally flown to Thailand. I've flown to everywhere else in the goddamn world, and I've never.
But something I've noticed in these videos is a lot of the folks, when the police are dealing with them, if they're spoken to a certain way where they felt they're being respected, they feel like they're being seen, heard, and understood, then they will probably go along with the program. Not all the time, but most of the time. So it sounds here as she's intoxicated. The way that the gate agent may have approached her and said, "You can't lay there," or whatever the gate agent said, sounds like she didn't like the tone or the way that she was being told what to do. And that caused a problem to her ego, and now she's upset about it, and now she's going to cause a bigger disturbance.
Never been in trouble.
So-
on my ass.
So just a little update. All right. Your flight's been canceled due to the way you've been acting.
I don't care if it has.
Okay. So.
They are going to reimburse me, and I don't care.
Okay. Yep. We can get that figured out.
It
But
doesn't matter, actually, because on the plus side, my sister was going to pick me up. She has a 4-month-old baby. Because you guys think I'm cunts or whatever the f*** you think that?
Well, I didn't
I was
think
going to watch my 4-month-old baby, or, sister's baby.
Or they deny
they canceled.
No.
So they're going to give you a refund.
She's confused.
Okay,
If I have to, I'm
that's fine, but I need you to listen to me, because the last thing I want to happen. Listen to me. The last thing I want to happen is for us to have to take you to jail. So I need you to listen to me.
You can send me to jail I want, because I will turn around and say, my fat ass right here.
Okay, ma'am. Let's listen.
Listen,
She's not going to stop arguing.
they denied you boarding. At this point, we have to escort you to the non-secure
That's
side.
fine.
If you can show me that
That's
you can
fine.
walk straight and take care of yourself, you can read.
Grab your items.
Hey, ma'am.
And grab your items.
Now she's mocking the whole situation.
They recite everything. I will speak Spanish.
Okay, that's fine,
I
ma'am.
don't want to get you for disorderly.
Let's just-
Hello.
Ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, I don't want to get you for disorderly either, because right now we're blocking the flow of
You
business.
want me?
You're going to have
take
to
that.
carry your
No.
own stuff, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, you're going to have to carry your own
If
stuff.
you're
We can't
taking me
carry-
away, you take that.
Ma'am, you're going to have to carry your own stuff.
Sir.
Because apparently you're escorting.
Now she's trying to gain back the authority. She doesn't like authority, people telling her what to do.
No, I.
She's trying to gain it back.
I asked you to pick up your stuff. Now I'm telling you to pick up your stuff. If
Yeah.
you don't pick up your stuff and walk with us to the non-secure side, I'm going to have to take you into custody. It's the last thing I want to
Go
do.
for it.
Is that what you want?
Go for it.
For disorderly
I'm
conduct
really no
and public intoxication? Because you're acting like you're showing signs of being intoxicated.
So I'm intoxicated, yet I'm having a physical and mental conversation. Give me anything.
Ma'am, please pick up your stuff. I'm trying to help you out. Pick up your stuff. Let's walk into the non-secure
Tell
side.
that mother
You can put
for me laying here
you can put
on my fat f***ing
Ma'am,
ass.
you're cursing his
Giving her a lot of leeway to just
right now.
speak her mind. He's doing his best. He doesn't want to arrest her and
Really sitting.
have a whole nother problem walking her through the gate.
Let's do the non-secure side. If not, you're going to go into custody, and I do not want to do that.
And you know what?
I understand that, but I'm trying to help you out because you may care later.
No, I don't.
Ma'am.
I hate this country.
Ma'am.
Canadian, New Zealand, I heard.
Are we leaving?
Are we?
If you can get your stuff together.
Well, I mean, I've been able to get my stuff together for a while, but
Well, show me you can get.
She hates the country. Maybe she's got an ongoing issue. She just wants to cause a problem.
But at this point, it's disorderly.
Disorderly.
no, well, that's just me being
Come on, man. Pick
shitty.
Let's go. Pick up your items. Let's take a walk.
I'm gonna show you this, but the end?
I see it.
Yeah.
Maybe you gotta really study that book. You're not doing a good job right now.
I'm gonna show you that I'm self-aware.
Okay, I understand
And
that you're
literally
self-aware.
going to school for psychedelics and mental health,
Where are you going to school at?
where I want to.
Hang on 1 second, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
She continues making a scene.
Yeah, I'm going to take for this.
She's gonna go.
Seems like they're not teaching her well.
Come on, ma'am. We can walk and talk.
You or they will be paying for my flight.
They will.
And you / they will be
Their,
very okay
their
with-
policy
No, I
normally
don't care.
is to refund the ticket if they deny you boarding. I don't work for the airline, so I can't
But
speak
no,
exactly.
I don't care if you don't work for the airline. Wait on the goddamn floor.
I don't need
Wait
to see,
for
but I'm going to
everyone.
need you to stop cursing and stop being loud because there's children present.
Is that a child? Is that
No,
a child?
but there's one right in front of you.
Pretty sure that person swears more than
Very close to being disorderly conduct when you're causing a disturbance in public.
more than I do.
Well, my 7-year-old doesn't swear at home,
I'm
so.
not at home. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna call my boyfriend.
Again, she wants to assert her authority here.
Bags keep walking.
She wants to be in charge. Doesn't like to be told what to do.
Call him while we're walking.
Yeah, I am.
Cop's trying to be nice.
Yeah, we will. Right now.
And if he could pick you up, that would be wonderful.
No, he's 2 hours from now.
Okay, well, pick up your bag and let's keep walking.
I get it. Do you think I'm fucking retarded?
We're not going to tell you
Treat me
again.
like a
Getting close.
Act like an adult and keep walking.
treat me like
Okay,
an
you know what?
adult. No.
We're done. That's it. That's enough for the babysitting.
Take her backpack off.
Do you think you can? Michael.
Control 14, type 15.
Michael, they are arresting you. You know what? The thing is, I could f***ing break out of this. Can you just tell me?
Oh,
Let's put her on the ground.
tough. She can break out.
Just go forward.
There for them.
Already admitting to wanting to escape.
Hold down if you're not there for them. Because they're f***ing and they can't f***ing do it.
Not the easiest job in the world. When people don't want to get handcuffed, it's hard. It may look easy on the video, and we might say, "Hey, what's the big deal? You can put the handcuffs on this lady." It's not easy. When somebody's trying to fight you, it is not easy. Trust me.
Double lock your cuffs so they don't get tight.
I don't care if you get tight. I'm not gonna f***ing hurt anyways, because you guys work in an airport.
Man, we're going to search you up.
Yeah, and guess what? I will help you get up, because I'm not resisting.
You got a 14 car out there?
Yeah, it's on 26.
The thing is you guys are stupid, and I can undo this if I really wanted.
That'll be another charge if you do, man.
You know what? I don't care, because you're already charging me
got
for
it.
something that I did not do. Let me out of the airport. I would rather be.
Stop resisting.
I would rather be out of the airport
Stop resisting.
than in here fighting.
Gonna get more charges for resisting and. Oh,
Relax.
Kick you in the fucking balls.
assault on an officer now.
Not put me behind fucking doors for no
Stop
reason.
resisting.
When all I wanted to do was go watch my fucking 4-month-old husband.
Stop.
No!
Make it disarm.
She's just gonna keep fighting.
The heart of the fact you're not doing your fucking rights.
So we're gonna forget the bags. Forget the bags.
Let go of me!
Relax.
We're going to roll you to your side.
Stop biting that.
No!
Relax.
No! You were supposed to give me my rights forever ago. I'm not a fucking American and I know the rights.
No, you're Canadian or from New Zealand. Not American. You hate this country.
Have
You
right.
should have got them. Why have you not given them to me?
Oh boy.
I got her legs.
Why are 3 of you actually No.
Sometimes, no matter how hard you try to be nice to people, they're just gonna fight you no matter what.
All right, somebody go that side. Let me get my hand in it.
Do you really think that's what you want to do? Let go of me and let me in. You want
There you go.
do not
Hey, how about restraints?
let go.
See if there's one in the glove box.
Nothing wrong. I don't care. And you've heard me this entire time. Your name? Let go. Let me know your name.
Stop.
I'm Officer Lamacine.
Stop kicking.
What? Nothing for nothing. I've done nothing.
I need her other foot.
Hey, Bree. Your name, Bree?
Oh man.
And Tatiana?
You're just gonna keep getting more charges for resisting.
Go for it. No. You make me sit up.
Pick her up.
No.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I don't know how to get up. Oh, sorry.
Nah, she's. Oh man. So much for that mental health course, huh?
God, this guy needs to be quiet.
There's a lot more study.
Disorderly conduct.
Resisting.
Resisting. Assault on an officer.
Assault on an officer.
Okay. You ready?
All that for just laying on the floor. Could have just went somewhere else.
Stop. I'm not going to do anything. Let me call my boyfriend.
We
No,
will. We're gonna take you inside
right
so
here.
you can call your boyfriend.
No, right here. I want to
She's
call.
already
No.
took her seatbelt off. Okay.
No,
Can
I
I take
don't
these
have my
off of you?
seatbelt off. It's right in here, you ass.
That's fine. That's fine. Can I take this
Dude,
off?
no, stop. Stop. You
Don't kick.
I want to call my boyfriend.
I got your phone. Once we get you out,
My
stand you out.
husband, because I literally have both. And I will tell you that later if you want to know.
Which one was in the army? Husband or boyfriend?
Boyfriend.
Okay.
The husband is New Zealand.
Gotcha.
Because I lived in New Zealand for 12 years.
Okay.
But I have a husband
Come
and a
out.
boyfriend, and I literally will
Come
do.
out.
All she had to do was move to a chair.
Yes.
Okay.
Now she's got handcuffs on, a spit mask on.
Are you sick with any COVID or flu symptoms?
No.
Are you injured?
No.
Are you?
I mean,
Oh,
now,
Are you?
and now I am.
Now you are.
No,
okay.
no,
Do you have
no,
any kind
no.
of plan?
What?
Do you have any kind of plan?
Whatever gets me out of this.
Okay.
Just kidding.
You hear that?
No, seriously, I'm just kidding.
Are you pregnant?
Probably a suicide screening right here. The nurse is asking her questions if she want to hurt herself.
I don't care.
She has a plan to hurt herself.
Mental health.
I'm not
at this
pregnant.
point. Okay.
I don't care. I
Pregnant.
literally, I research medical.
Yeah, so generally when someone is in jail or hold up or lock up, wherever the situation is, a nurse always comes, or a doctor or physician will come in and ask the person questions to determine whether or not they're a threat to themselves, to harm themselves, or to harm somebody else. And that determines whether she's a watch, somebody's going to sit on her one-on-one and watch and make sure she doesn't hurt herself while she's in the cell. And that's what's happening here.
Let's walk up.
And mental.
Congratulations. Yeah, you're doing good. Okay. Treat her as such, and I will.
The woman was charged with public intoxication, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and felony assault on a law enforcement officer after kicking and spitting on an officer. In December 2025, the 3 misdemeanor charges were dismissed. The felony assault charge was reduced to simple assault, and she received a deferred judgment with no conviction.
So, I don't know if she learned her lesson there. Yeah, suspended sentence and probation for kicking officers, fighting with them, and causing a problem in an airport. I don't know about that. What do you think? Is that the proper sentence for her? Is that something that is justified in this case? Let me know what you think. The woman got charged with public intoxication, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and felony assault on a law enforcement officer after she kicked and spit on the officer. In December of 2025, all 3 misdemeanors were dismissed. The felony assault got reduced to a simple assault. 11 months and 29 days suspended. 11 months and 29 days of probation and a deferred judgment. No conviction. If you like seeing these cases broken down from a detective perspective, subscribe to the channel.